I called around to a lot of different places, and they kept pointing at SurpHaces. And so I made the call a month ago, and it just was kind of a no-brainer to come here. It is a tedious process. It's not a simple process, and you can't snap your finger and expect it to be done. And you showed that today.
When I was Googling for classes, Fred's name keeps popping up as pretty much the guru behind taking care of the stone. So I figured if everybody else references him, I would rather learn directly from the source.
The wealth of information that we get to help our business move even further than where we want it to move is always there, and we do love that. We do love that about SurpHaces.
Every single instructor I've had at this school now for 4 courses have all been extraordinarily knowledgeable of not only how to do the work, but how to interact with clients, how to fix problems that may arise, and most importantly, they're available after you're done with the class. People like Dr. Fred, who've been doing this for a lifetime, their knowledge and their experience is invaluable to us.
It's not just here and then you're done. When you leave, you have Deb that you can call to help with marketing and your web page. You have Fred you can count on. Even the people you go through the class with, you get to stay in touch with them and learn with them as you grow in business. So it's just a great program altogether.
I would recommend coming to this class for anybody in service, fabrication, restoration, just because of what you learn, and you have to learn with your own eyes and ears.
It's been amazing, I must say. Each course is definitely a challenge. My biggest takeaway from this is everything has its own time. Everything literally has a time period to it. You're gonna have to take your time, you have to be a patient individual, and steps. All the steps count. Whatever material you're gonna touch in the future, you're gonna do it here.
My favorite part of the course is all the hands-on training. I like being able to actually do it and get that feedback in live time about what I'm doing right and what I'm doing wrong and how to fix it.